Sylvester, should we make a vlog?
A vlog
Yeah.
of Central London. I mean, there is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Where are we right now?
We're in a park, bro. What the fuck do you think we are?
And what are we going to do? What are we doing today?
Watch fireworks.
Okay, we will cut to the fireworks.
Yeah.
Okay, see you.
Sylvester, be careful! There's a spider!
Oh my god. Okay, Sylvester,
Where?
see you.
There.
See you. And let me make my joke. Let me make my joke.
See you next year.
Yeah, see you next year,
See you
guys.
next
See you
year.
next. We found or
Potential NPC spot.
yeah, there's NPCs here doing. Look, there's one there. 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 Okay, we will cut to the fireworks for real this time.
See you next year.
See you next year. See you. Oh my god. Oh my deliciousness.
Oh my delete.
I want to record random people. Okay, Sylvester. It is currently 11:32. How do you feel?
Thirsty.
It's 28 minutes until New Year's. How do you feel?
Thirsty.
Okay, and we are currently outside of Chicken Valley. For what?
Drink.
Oh,
Some
okay.
horsey.
Hey, Sylvester, we got the drinks. My mom has them. How do you feel right now? What time is it? It's 11:46. There is 14 minutes left until 2023. How do you feel in this instant right now, Sylvester?
Excited. I'm very excited, you can tell.
Okay, Sylvester, we are in the park. Only thing we have to do now is wait. Okay, so
I'm thirsty. My throat hurts.
my mom has Pepsi. Okay, so we will see you when the fireworks happen.
See you next
but
year.
But like for real this time. Like, see you next year, guys.
Yeah, see you next year.
See you next year. See you next year. Yes, Sylvester, this is what we're gonna be doing for the next 9 minutes.
There's going to be a lot of fireworks.
It's New Year's, fam. Of course. What is bro doing?
I'm checking the time.
Yo, Sylvester. It's activating it. Once it's starting. Happy New Year! Shut up, bro. What is this guy doing? So I think it's over.
It's over.
I think, yeah.
That was quite magnificent. Quite beautiful.
Quite majestic. I've been practicing on these. That was quite majestical. That's quite. Actually, that's the only one I got,
Oh.
bro. Oh yeah, Sylvester, Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Feliz Navidad!
Feliz Navidad! Oh shit! Oh hey, that's hard!
Ah, the smoke!
Shit, wait, that's more shit. Bro, this guy is big head, fam. Look at this guy, fam. Tell the sleeping guy to move, fam. Sylvester, that was so cool, Sylvester. Happy New Year, Sylvester.
My arm's hurt.
Yeah, I know. Sylvester, that was a good experience. How much would you rate this?
That was worth it, man. 10 out of 10, bro.
For real, bro. Sylvester, I have
See you next year. See you next year.
I have 1%, so say back to the video.
See you next
Quickly,
year.
subscribe.
Bye bye.
Quickly.
Subscribe.
Okay, subscribe, guys, and like the video.
Subscribe and follow, and comment, and like.
And so follow Sylvester
And-
on TikTok.
Hit the notification bell. Follow me on TikTok at BD.
Okay, whatever. Sylvester, we need something to put at the end of the video for comedic effect. Damn.